doing great. I'm not going to play you anymore. You're too good.
Do something, Gizmo. You're on video.
Gizmo, clean off your belly. Look at that. You are so dirty. Dirty boy.
There you go. Go exploring. Hello.
Hey. How's my beautiful son?
Pretty good. How's my beautiful mother?
It's a gorgeous day. I love the flowers.
Ooh, look at all the flowers.
Enjoying playing Scramble. Wonderful.
Hello. Where's Gizmo at? I think he left.